Hello all and welcome back to my channel. I have another great dish that I'm going to be preparing, curry chicken fried rice. I've included the link below to the inspiration for this dish, which was found on Pinterest. So let's get right to it. Here I am following instructions I found using Google on how to prepare rice that was just cooked. This is the first step. I'm placing the rice on a flat baking sheet that has been covered by foil. Then I am going to place it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will show you the rest of the process a little later on in the video. Now I'm preparing the chicken portion of the dish. I have some chopped onions and green peppers in the pan. And I am also going to be adding some olive oil and some garlic to that. And this is the chicken mixture here that I'm mixing in with the onions and peppers. I did season the chicken with curry powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I'm going to be adding a little sliver of butter to the pan a little later on in the video. So now there's nothing left to do but to let it cook. So at this point I was feeling pretty brave, so I decided to add in about 5 red pepper flakes. I even measured it in my hand, y'all. I have experience with red pepper flakes I would like to forget, so it took me a minute to add some more in. You'll see that a little later on in the video. I have to warn y'all, at this point, the aroma was everywhere, but I was definitely not mad. It smells so good. Man, I wish I could have sent y'all a smellogram. The rice is out of the refrigerator, and now I'm getting ready to put the rice into sandwich bags and place them in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. The chicken is done at this point, and I'm placing it on a plate and putting it to the side for later. So now we're on to the final step. I am adding about a teaspoon of vegetable oil. I'm adding the rice that was in the freezer. And I'm going to flatten it so that it can cook evenly. And I'm going to let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. I'm seasoning it with garlic salt and salt and pepper. So now I'm adding in some frozen peas and mixing that all in. And then I'm going to let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. And while I'm waiting, I am getting my eggs ready. I'm cracking my eggs and putting them in a bowl. I'm getting ready to add in about a teaspoon of oyster sauce and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. So I'm done with this for now. Starting on the eggs. Gonna put a little bit of butter in there, probably about a half a teaspoon of butter. Trying to keep it to where it's not too much butter because I know it's not really good to eat a lot of butter. And now I'm pouring in the eggs. So at this point I did notice that the eggs were cooking more on one side than on the other, so you'll see me moving the pan around trying to get all of it cooked in. We're almost done. We're mixing in all the ingredients and we're gonna just go ahead and stir it all up and let it cook. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed.